Hey everybody, this is Donnie from Adex Clubs, and if you've been following the workouts with the GammaCast workout, today we're going to do a two-handed mill or the progressions that lead up to a two-handed mill if you don't have a two-handed mill yet. So that'll be good practice to learn how to do the two-handed mill if you don't have one. For beginners and intermediates, for the advanced people, I expect you to have a two-handed mill so you can pretty much do the whole workout with two-handed mills or practice your progressions and regressions from it if you have a little bit of wavering or flailing in your movement and you want to strengthen it. So we began with the basic calisthenic warm-up that I hold standard, and today's warm-up club work with the light club work, I used an arc and I did some outside mills and some inside mills. All I did was 5 in each direction for each arm and 2 sets of that. So you can just get a little warm up just to get some mobility and movement in the shoulders and in the torso to be able to get on with the mill. Now for the first exercise for the progressions of the mill, the two-handed mill, and I'm going to put the club to my right side. My left hand is going to be my knob hand. My right hand is going to be the top hand. When you turn the club upside down, you'll see what I mean. So the first exercise we're going to do is a two-handed side swing. Keep your posture good, the back nice and straight, heart high, shoulders packed down, and mute it on this side, on the low side, mute it at a 45-degree angle. Notice I'm not bringing it up and letting the momentum go like this. I'm muting it down here and swinging it high on my left. I am going to go from a side swing to a crossbody clean. Remember, what side you clean to is the side your top hand is on. So right hand, right shoulder, I clean to, even though I'm swinging it out to the left. To bring it back, cast it straight out, arms long, bring it back in, draw it in. Cast it out. So you go from a side swing to a crossbody clean. Cast it out, bring it in. Don't let the club simply fall down like this and go into the next one. You don't want to do that. You're missing all the benefit of tractioning outward and opening up your joints in that area. So begin with the side swing. Do a few reps of that. Go into your side clean. Yes, catching it in this position is actually an exercise. Cast it out, bring it back. Now we're going to go into the woodchopper move. So top hand, it's going over that shoulder. I turn and rotate my torso, drop down over the other shoulder. And then see, I'm changing shoulders as I'm doing it. That's your woodchopper. Cast it back out and into the two-handed mill. Cast it out, bring it around again, the side clean, over woodchopper, cast it out, and back again. Use good form, keep your shoulders packed down, protect your elbows by drawing into the body. Don't be wide and opening up high like that. Puts an undue stress on your soft tissue in your elbows. Anyway, I'll get you all set up for your workout below, whether you're doing strength or endurance. Be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like what I'm doing here on the blog. Anyway, you guys have a great day. See you on our platform. Peace.